Good day and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing okay. Thank you so much guys for tuning in, my old and new subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. It's you guys that makes me keep coming back here, you know, because if you post a video and nobody watches, of course you wouldn't make another one. But I appreciate you guys, okay, for always coming back to watch my videos. I am grateful. Okay. So today I will be packing my bag, preparing for delivery. I'll be packing my bag today, and I want to do it with you guys, you know. Though I'm not really doing much, I'm not packing much, because normally here for the baby you don't need anything. They provide everything in the hospital, okay? So I only need things for myself. Okay? You don't need anything for the baby except for the clothes that the baby will wear back to the house, okay? But even when I gave birth to my daughter, it was their clothes she wore back home. They did not ask her to remove it, you know. They didn't talk about it, so they just left it. They said we can go with it. When I asked them if I can change her, they said I can go with it, okay? So she wore their clothes back home, okay? But for this, my baby here, I'm gonna be putting a cloth, you know, in case, okay? So I'm gonna be packing my bag and showing you guys what I'm packing. Mommy, don't spoil this thing, no. So here I have my shoe. This is the one I'm going to be wearing back home. As you can see, it's very flat. I don't need something heavy, you know. This is the one I'm going to be wearing back home. Right, coming back home, I need to look good. Yeah. So that's my shoe. And this is either I wear this one back home when coming back, or I wear this one, either of the two, okay? Anyone that sizes. I know this one will size perfectly, but I've not worn this one for a very long time because of my pregnancy, so I'm believing that if I come down, of course it will size me again. So that's why I am going with the two. Anyone that sizes, I will go with it. I will come back home with it, you know. And I'm also attaching some gowns. Everything I'm going with is gown, and it's not just gown, something that will enable me to breastfeed my baby, you know. I need a gown that will be that I can be able to either pull the neck down, or from the side pull it to the side, okay? That's what I'm going with. I'm not just going with any clothes for clothes sake, no. I'm going with clothes that will enable me to breastfeed my baby, okay? Because I don't use milk. I breastfeed my babies. I do exclusive, 6 months exclusive, no water, no baby milk, nothing, just breastfeeding for 6 good months. That's what I do, okay? So all the clothes I am going with are clothes that will enable me to breastfeed my baby, okay? I'm not gonna be staying much in the hospital. It's just 4 days, but of course hospital is not my house. It's just 4 days, but I want to take enough clothes, you know, so that anyone that soaks, I can remove it and replace it to another one. Though I'm also gonna be going with my breast pad. Also. So here I have my undies. Possibly I may not be needing it there, also I may not be needing this there, but I just want to go with it, okay? I just want to go with it. I know. And here I have my bra. I have my bra, which they are 4 here. For the 4 days I'm going to be staying, but you know, if you're going to the hospital, it's good you pack something that will be enough for you, you know. Even if you don't use it, it's still your own. When you're coming back, you come back with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with this 4. This one, when I gave birth to my boy, I used this bra, guys. You know why I don't want to throw it away? You can easily, it has something you can just remove from here, you know, breastfeed your baby. When you're done, you lock it back. You know, I've not been wearing this bra. It's when I'm breastfeeding that I use it. Okay, it's when I'm breastfeeding that I use it. And here I have some breast pad here because my breast can leak for Africa, guys. It has started leaking already. The clothes I wore to bed yesterday night and 2 nights ago, everything was soaked, you know. So my breast is, nah, you don't need it. My breast is leaking already. It's pouring already. So I need this breast pad so I can use it to support my breast, so that it won't be soaking my clothes always. Though most times I don't feel comfortable wearing it, you know, but as I forgot to add this one, I don't feel comfortable wearing it, but I think I have to. I'm just taking this one just in case weather changes. It's not too thick, you know, it's not too thick, so I'm just taking it just in case, to be on a safer side. Here I have my cream, which I possibly may not use because I'm not a cream type, you know. I find it, not that I find it difficult, but most times, no. Oh my God, now. What am I saying? Okay, this is my cream, guys. Here I have my toothbrush. Here I have my breast top, you know. Most times I feel comfortable wearing this than bra. Okay, I feel more comfortable wearing this, so I'm just going to add it. And then here I have my comb. I'll put it here. Nice, mommy. I beat somebody. Oh. Yeah. So this is my wrapper, guys. I'm going with 1 wrapper. Of course, every woman needs a wrapper, but I'm going with only 1. Okay, I'm going with only one wrapper. Daddy Nine, don't plug it, I'll do it for you. So here is my breast pump. Mommy, where? Hey, this bikini. Where did you put this thing now? Here is my breast pump, guys. Normally they give in the hospital, but I just want to take my own. I think I prefer this manual breast pump. They give electric breast pump there, but I think I prefer manual because it's faster. This one is faster, so I'm gonna go with it. But I think I will either I wash it here or I wash it there. But even before I use it, I will still wash it. So either I wash it here, I wash it there. And here also, I'll be pumping the breast into this one. And here, feeding bottle also. Maybe, possibly I don't need this one also because they provide everything for the baby in the hospital, okay? And even schnuller too. I'm going with schnuller, though my babies don't use schnuller, soccer. They don't use it though, but I'm going to try, you know. They don't use it. And see guys, I almost forgot something I already brought out, but because I was hiding it from this madam, I almost forgot. I have my perfume here and my roll-on also. Very, very important. I may not use this one, but this one is for sure. I'm gonna be needing them, okay? So that is it. That's it for this one. I almost forgot. You make me to forget. You make me to forget. What have I done to you? Give it to me. So guys, here is my towel. I almost forgot, guys. And my toothpaste also. My toothpaste, I think my brush is here already. Mommy 9! Are you kidding me? I am packing and you are scattering. Why? Is it good? Nah, it's not good, man. Oh yeah, it's okay. Ada, ndo. Adekelekete, yo, adekelekete, yo, ifana jekete bro, Soye, ego Maria. So guys, here is my singlet. I'm taking only one, okay? Only one. So I think what is remaining for me to add here is my baby's clothes. My baby's clothes, then soap and sponge. I pray I do not forget. If I forget, that means I have to bathe with my hands. But no, I won't forget, okay? I don't want the video to be too long, okay guys? So this is basically what I'm going with. As you guys can see, is most of my stuffs here. It is not much at all, okay? It is not much at all. And I'm so excited, guys. Like, I'm so excited. This baby has been kicking and kicking and kicking and kicking. Maybe he wants to come out, but it's gonna be soon, okay? And okay, that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm taking with me to the hospital. As you guys can see, it is not much, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, okay? Hit it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much. Before I forget, let me just go now, and I think I have just 3 items to add into this bag. Let me go now and bring them and put inside before I forget. Whew, it's not easy, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Mommy, say bye-bye. Here. Ciao. Say ciao, ciao. Ciao now. Bye, guys.